Okay. All right, now you want to go to upload. I'm gonna click on upload, and as you can see, it's there already. So I'm going to insert it, and here it is. Now I'm going to unlock it, and I'm going to make it 2.5 by 2.5. Your fingers. 2.5 by 2.5. Sorry, it's a little blurry. And I'm going to duplicate it. Going to this one that's already highlighted. I'm just going to go up here and click on no fill. And then I'm going to go to shapes. I'm going to get a square. And then I'm going to get a circle as well. Now the square, let me move that over. Okay, so put this circle over here, get out the way for now. Now this one that I put no fill, I'm going to make it a dark blue. And you want to make it a dark color so that when you do open like your camera or whatnot, it actually scans. I tried it with a light purple last night, and initially it scanned, but then after like the first 2 times it stopped scanning. So now you can make your square as big or as as small as you want, as long as it fits your QR, your Cash App QR code within it. Now I added my logo, but you can add text or whatever. So let's see, I'm gonna just add text. I'm gonna do Lollipop Creations, and I'm just gonna bring it down, change the color to orange just for the video sake. Alright, now I'm gonna move it up. Unlock it so you can actually see what it says. You are more than welcome to put whatever it is that you want. You can put your Cash App tag or your logo or whatever the case is. Now the box, for video purposes, I'm gonna change it to black. I made mine white. I printed mine on glitter cardstock, actually, white glitter cardstock last night. So, let's see. This is how it looks. Now let's get our circle, and you can add your circle however you want. I added mine inside of the box. That's how I put mine. But if you want to put it outside of the box and have it like hanging on the side, then I would suggest that you duplicate and you add it like that. And I'm going to arrange it to the front. I'm going to send that to the front. So I went up to arrange and I click send to the front. So, this is one way. And if you don't know how, I'm showing you. So then you highlight the circle. Once you put it in, you put your double circles. Sorry. See, 2 circles. I made one smaller than the other so it can fit inside. Then I highlight it. Then I press slice. And voila. There it is. So I can add it here. And let's see, arrange that. Arrange it. Send it to the back. And then let's move this over. So yeah, send that to the back, and then I can highlight all of that, and I can weld that together like that. So there, I have it all connected, but I don't want it like that. So going to undo that. Like I said, the way that I want it is to put it inside. So, and I mean, you can make it as big, the hole as big or as small as you want it. But I put it in there like that. I highlight both and slice. And voila, you have your hole for your keychain. And then I delete it. Delete the extra circles that are not needed. Then you duplicate. I did, I think, like 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and that's 6, which is going to, I covered up the QR code and the wording, sent it to the back, and here it is. Again, like I said, you can make it as big or as small as you want. Sorry, it looks a little blurry, but all right, there we go. So I duplicated 6 times, so that way I can bring one box over and highlight the whole thing. You want to flatten. You want to go to flatten. Sorry about that. Right here. Unflatten, so you can see that again. See, the box is movable. Now I'm going to flatten it again. Show you again. I want to highlight the box with the text and the QR code, and I'm going to go down here to flatten. I'm going to click on flatten. Now it is flattened. So now it's all together, right? And you can make your box whatever color, black, white, green, blue. Like I said, I just did this for tutorial purposes. Sorry. Now you can get rid of the other one. You don't need it. This is all that you need. And I did mine double-sided. So if you want to do it double-sided, duplicate. And what you will do is, actually, since if you want to duplicate it, you'll go back, duplicate. If you double-sided, you'll duplicate, go back to flatten, and click unflatten. Once you click unflatten, then you take your box, you go to flip horizontal, and then you bring it back down, highlight it again, the one that you just flipped, and you flatten it again. That way, when you do put it together, the holes line up. So that's if you want it double-sided. And then you go to make with your hand. Thank you. And there you are. You print and cut, and then you have your other extra boxes to add to it so that it'll be nice and sturdy. And I'm going to cancel because I've already done mine, and it actually does work. Get my keys for me. They're right there on the side. So I'm gonna show you. This is the one I made last night. Double-sided. Like I said, I did it on the white glitter cardstock. Sorry if it's blurry. But I'm gonna show you that it does work. I did seal it. Initially I sealed it with, what is that? Triple thick. And yeah, it looks a little bumpy, but regardless, it still works. Move this light, sorry about that glare. It's still a major glare. Let's see. And then you want to, I'm gonna go to my camera. See, it says open in Cash App. And ta-da, it's open in Cash App. I will show you again. See, open your camera, and then it's gonna prompt you this and ask you if you want to open it in Cash App. Sorry if it's a little blurry. Trying to. All right, there we go. Focus. Sorry. But there you go. And like I said, print and cut, and that's it, guys. Thanks.